The RAPID project will save lives. It delivers an early warning system to detect critical deterioration in transport system infrastructure and minimize disruption and delays to critical supply chains by combining and extending drone technology. RAPID also reduces time, costs, and greenhouse gas emissions. The fifth step of RAPID methodology is the survey. The survey is divided into 4 stages. In the first 2, the USV and the UAS swarm cooperatively capture the structure, macro-shape geometry and appearance using light detection and ranging technology. The data is processed in real time to detect and remove outliers, perform low-resolution surface construction, registration, and detect any coverage gaps. The 2 final survey stages capture the structure, micro-shape geometry and appearance using HD cameras on the UAS swarm units. The systems used are neural networks, which can detect critical micro-cracks, and photogrammetry, which can reconstruct them. The data is then transmitted to the USV to offload the reconstruction calculation and map the crack completely. Real-time data collection reduces the amount of data to be collected, and therefore the time and cost of the survey and the hazard exposure time. When the survey has been completed, customers receive a 5D augmented reality presentation of identified structural faults, such as deformations and cracks, thanks to RAPID survey workflows automation.